Everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can find the length of a word or maybe a long sentence. So for that, let's take a sentence. Sorry about that. That is my Facebook sound. Sorry about that. So let's type a sentence. So let's write sentence equal to I miss the new Boston YouTube channel. So I have this sentence. Now what can I do? I can just find out the length of this sentence. In order to do that, all I need to do is use len, which is len. So let's write print, then len, then sentence. So if I just hit this run, you can see that the length is 35. Now if I want to get back something, like my previous video, how in my previous video you saw how I cut off a specific portion of a word. So I want to do the same thing over here as well. So let's write print and sorry about that, and sentence, and here I want to get from 0 to, as this is showing me the length of 35, this means I have to write 34 over here, because the 34th position is L and I want to get from here to here. I don't want the last L. If that makes sense. So if I just hit run, you can see I missed the New Boston YouTube channel. This is not showing me the last L because I don't have the last L, because I have only giving I have only given it the permission to get up till 34. So yeah, so that's how you can actually get the length of a sentence. Basically, as long as the sentence goes, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is use len and you will be good to go. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.